Habai krem bekilat pathai kubor hadian belawai ke jingalang ka CEC ke belalong hakasi tho dian jong katayo uba bendu lanong ulo ong ba ka jingbam tre ki kharmetor ban mi na kate jaka hatem molong ka don ke halindan kate jaka bamentala khapnya bat jabo ha bat ka don kam man kin riano
habang nila ito rangkat po meeting ke belalong bulan Jun 2018
as a
party we were there. We stand committed. We stand committed, but it's not a question of depriving them another place to stay. Just go to a better place, go to a better site, because this is a commercial area. Number one. Number two, along over congested. Take a stand, you take a long time. Not to deprive them of a place to stay, but you'll be, provided with a better place to stay, also in a better environment.
Hagaju kapor uba bindu ulo ong ba lada ka sarkar kawan raya ka CAB kaseng UDP kan persyaben kajingalang kani kaseng kabaladon lang haga sarkar jela kalai kren ru alor ka election MP belala kaba hakaba ukertong ka MDA ubade ubriu ka UDP ularem ha ukertong ka Congress da shilak sanpho ar hajar tali vote.
Our stand is very clear till now. We went in January 2019 to Guwahati. All the regional parties of Northeast, including AGP also, including NPP also. And Conrad Sangma chaired that meeting in Guwahati. We oppose the CAB, and we oppose the CAB till now, till today. So our change has not, our stand has not changed. Succeeded in putting into the mind of the people, about the fear, the threat perception of the BJP and all that, and that UDP is part of the BJP, of this partnership, the NDA and all that. So all that, it's not betrayal, officer. I have already explained to you that there was no betrayal. So for other factors, got the better of the opposition parties to get the people to, to sideline our candidate. That's why balai sipok Garhils ngero iki kibriu la tik bagi don buat ke BJP jawab kata kalau you steer so not only in Northeast, even outside the Northeast tang wangi hindi ting be
saya